we are entering Morris Jerk, guys. Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. What's popping in the kitchen? What's popping, guys? Today we are going to meet up with one of our YouTube families. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss this one, guys. Please, if you're not subscribed as yet, what are we man? Just press the subscription button, guys. Just press it, man. If you're not subscribed already and been laughing and supporting us, we love you guys. We love and we appreciate you guys. So stay tuned. Hold on, before we get into the video, guys, like the video them now. Yeah, man, like the video them. Share the video them. Yeah, man, share to our families and friends, man. And comment on the video them, guys. Let us know how well we're doing. Make we know what go on. Make we know if you don't like the video them. You understand? Yeah, man, big up on yourself. We love and we appreciate you all. Blessings.
I was there when I needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move when I get so tired of making me take a night, but taking is all that I'll do cause of you.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. We are outside today, and today I'm linking up with one of my YouTube friends, my YouTube family, my YouTube brother. It's a surprise, guys. Guys, can you guess who it is? Do it!
You!
How you
Yeah, the place.
in the building.
Lion's in the house. King Lion is in the house. Feels with laughing with Ian and Michelle, so we're gonna have some laugh and some fun.
Yes, guys, we
And
have
then
the vlog for you.
We're gonna stew.
But guys, Lion is finally here, my brother Lion. Where Ian gone? Ian gone on this.
Ian want one electrical car them for Christmas, so Stew, we have to try to get him one. Me never buy that for love for money, no way. You have the compartment where you plug it in.
Go on and go show them what's going on. Guys, let's show you what's going on, guys.
And the electrical car, them, the tricycle them are out here now. These are the charger for the tricycle them. For the electrical vehicle. Never know say reach out here, but they reach out here fast though.
Fast. Guys, you know, the Jamaica up to
Quick
the
charge.
time. Yes.
Service station.
Ian, they are making inquiry. Look like him interested. Looks like Ian is interested. When belt and something them there. No, Ian feel like my 12.
Where your belt us?
Hey, yeah, man.
We're not listening to
In our prime.
our prime. No, we are alone.
What is sounding on the prime?
Yeah, our prime.
Alright.
I can't tell them about this.
Guys, we are up to date. So guys, we reach a more a little bit too early, so we just get sausage alone. We just get sausage and then we'll leave and go a river and come back. Yeah. Watch out. Come in. You're enjoying it? Pardon?
Why you got your camera on?
Because I'm a YouTuber.
You're a YouTuber?
Yes, darling.
Peace and love.
Blessings. Welcome to Jamrock.
Welcome to Jamaica. Fresh from Julia.
Yeah, man, we are laughing at Michelle and Ian. My channel is laughing at Michelle and Ian.
What's wrong now?
Laughing with Michelle and Ian. So guys, you can see I found a new supporter.
Nice one. She's doing good.
Yeah. Can you just order me for me? Let me just type it in.
Yeah, man. Pretty and nice. So yeah, where you going to? Where you going to
Here, we're coming up, we're going home by the river. Right in that lane, the river is.
You're from Clarendon?
Yeah.
Nice man. Where in Clarendon?
Maypen.
Poorest comforts.
From Poros. My supporters from Poros, guys. So you don't know the river right here, no Michelle.
Yeah.
I thought you
guys should do water sachets?
yes.
That's you.
Yeah, this is me.
Take your hand up there.
Hold on, it said continue to YouTube. Oh, you don't have a YouTube account?
Yeah, I love you, but we let it go. Go down sausage pork. The Rasta man I eat it. Nice.
Yeah, we outside.
Morris.
All of the friends of them abroad. No, Mr. Jamaica. Morris, the good jerk sausage.
Get on the ticket and come.
Tell them about the jerk sausage.
I say, enough people are jealous. All line up come. Line up come.
Morris, jerk sausage.
Jerk sausage line up come.
Nah lie. One therapy cow,
Oh my God, it's
Trust
nice.
me.
and one box of chef.
That's it. Reach the place
Alright.
no open up yet. We have to eat sachets.
Yes, you see,
Let's go.
come too early. I see that I'm early bird, you know. Man, like, up and running.
I mean, the taxi man will drive fast. I want to reach there.
Drive man, I drive real fast.
The taxi man, they want them approach,
But the
like,
people are rolling.
they want to make it back fast, it's back for you next year.
Huh?
Guys, we are at Morris. We are Morris, guys, and I tell you the jerk sausage is everything.
But
Dog food and cow, see them there. Yeah. Our two brother and sister were there. Right, just some words. And all the vibes them say. We forward too early. You see me? But they don't know freestyle. We still have build a vibe same way, you see me? So, we order some jerk sausage, you see me? I don't want to do that style, that's what me two piece same way for please her, you know?
Please me.
Yeah.
hello.
So guys, we're just getting some juice to go to the river.
Yeah.
Where you going?
To the
To the river.
Right there, it's right there.
Ah,
oh. And your name is
Diane.
Diana Ross.
Oh, guys,
This is
I met Diana Ross.
Yeah.
Oh, Diana, she's so beautiful.
And coconut water.
I'm here for a funeral. Yeah. But
Okay.
I'm gonna make the best of it because my whole family's
here.
here. So that's
Oh,
good.
wait, she's in Jamaica. And guess
That's
what,
right.
guys? You see, when we're there in America,
Maybe first of that.
I want to come get some of the sunshine.
Too bad
And
for
then,
them. We soaked up all for them.
oh my God. It's me not rub it on in our face anymore. I love when I see him way. Even though I don't know each other, I still love when I
meet Diana Ross.
I laugh of town. I lie and I laugh of town because I'm not there. Because I'm not there.
We meet Diana, a celebrity,
Yeah.
Manchester Galdeville counterpart.
Yeah.
50-year-old gal.
Oh my God,
So when they
guys.
go, when they go, no, you tell the man to say it's not money, but it's Galdeville.
Galdeville.
Alright.
Alright, let me
Peace
say.
out. Thank you.
Bye. Guys,
Right now.
Stuart. Green Nation. Green Nation.
Oh, Greeny?
Stuart.
But then at the place.
Thompson.
But guess what?
Lascious. Who there? Me and my
You
brother is-
Greeny, may I make sure, hopefully, me not make a promise. New York, next stop.
Alright.
Next stop right there.
Outside. No, Ian can't get enough of electric car. No, guys, it look like Ian want to leave. We are road in a car over electric car. Ian the fan will come, you know. So I'm going to come Ian the over electric car. No, sir. It's not safe. This ain't safe, guys. So we are here.
Hi, everyone.
Yes, the first ladies are here. And the gentlemen are over there looking at cars.
And this is the lions, the queen lion.
Yes, this is Queen Lion. In the building, Queen Lion in the building, guys.
Very nice.
No, really
White
ingredient, no?
No.
Ingredient.
Pretty ingredient, anything.
You see? Big old Puma for shirt. And a lion, you know, a Puma.
Yo, we couldn't find a lion now. We couldn't find a lion.
Nation.
And my Man U shirt gone. So you are.
Stewie, your brother in the building. Stewie, we are going to the garrison, you know. Stewie?
Yo, we are going up there now. I look for mama.
The more you make them know, so we are forward
Yeah,
in.
mama say I know we are there.
Yep.
I'm telling you, I look fair, man.
Yeah.
Check some of those girls, you know.
Explain.
Guys, we are going down a river. We are going down a river and come back. Man, fix up the place. Yeah, man, fix up the place, man. And they say the water pretty, Lion?
Beautiful spot.
Begin to
Hello people, this is a beautiful place in
Clarendon. Yeah.
First time here. And look at it, it is beautiful.
Stream rivers.
So I bring the kids and the family here for a trip.
The water is clean and shallow, you know. Very clean. Look at this water.
That's seriously, honey.
Man, me glad you girl.
And I dig out, I rub them there. I rub your rub out.
No, no, but dig out.
A big one,
How
yeah.
about this?
God.
I tell you. Yo.
Yes, I know.
Ian. When people, I'm gonna come to out for Ian or anything. And first when I meet him, and this is my gratitude to Ian. Was boss, a year
Okay.
one.
Whether take off and watch out and hand give me.
Oh, yeah,
But
what
history
that?
this.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
what
put it
that?
on
Oh,
my
wow,
hand.
that is nice.
The
Yeah,
year
say,
one.
Michelle I go wear it. See,
Oh my God.
Right feet, right feet.
Go fit.
Oh, God.
Guys, look at this. This is so nice of Lion. Oh, that was
Where's
friends
that gonna be?
of
We'll say,
fun. This is
Fully
family.
black.
Could have
This
come with
what
nothing, so
family
let's
is
give
about,
something.
guys.
Remember, said the lion, give someone
Lion
lion
was
come back.
here.
Lion was here and come back.
Yeah.
You can look for him and bring something back for you.
Anytime I look on the time, more lion time.
Oh, yeah, it wasn't what it.
Lion time.
It wasn't what it for you. We don't the time, man.
Still have all the American
Yeah,
time.
the American, the way I change it again.
You see it?
Nah, it's true, yeah.
Guys, you know, say Lion and Ian walk down up the road and I feel like, say, me did hide and carry a look of shots in my bag, you know. Me feel like me will put it on and go in the water. Yes, people. Me did hide and put shots in my bag. So guess what? Me I come take a dip. Oh my God, water. Look at this little fish. Woo. Did I catch him? Can't come. Can't come a river, guys, and come in the water. You man, the water is so nice. Lion and Ian, don't feel like so I can't come a river and I come in the water, I'm lucky.
Yeah, that is what family is about, you know. Not because we don't come from one mother, one father.
True word.
And not because we don't go to the same school and go up in the same community.
True
You know,
word.
the platform YouTube have a way to make people
Unite.
meet and greet
Yeah.
and unite and then come into the real world.
Yeah.
You see me and bring that love the same way we
All the
bring
time,
from
all the
online.
time, online.
You understand? So Lion there so like a real brother. And his wife did it so like a real sister.
And we
same way.
appreciate Lion, we appreciate
him and
Lion.
we appreciate his
Because
wife.
guys, you know, yeah, and his wife, you know that Lion is not a content creator, guys, but Lion has been supporting all of us, and you know, we want to show him our appreciation. We bring him a little stuff, you know, guys, but it's in the car. It's
Yeah, it's in the car,
so,
yo, people.
So,
Ah,
yeah,
sure,
man, we
no,
have to just,
good. We say,
we appreciate the watch. Me appreciate the watch, and I know me get
Michelle
it.
want cry and I ain't get to watch.
Yeah.
Woo! Yes, now I'm at the river. I am at the river, guys. I'm in Jamaica in the river. How you guys doing in America? How you guys in America is doing? I'm in Jamaica and I'm at the river. Look at this water, guys. Look at this water. This water is beautiful. Woo! I'm loving it.
Yeah, people. Come back to Jamaica, I ain't come back no summer. No summer. If I come summer, I never come from me at the airport and drop me or something.
Lion and ball about to eat, but you don't realize him to thaw out. All them snow in him and ice in him.
I can't man, eat, man. No.
Don't
man.
run for the sweat. Sweat, man. You have to sweat. Sweat out, man. And sweat out to my ice, man, out of your body, man. And Jamaica, you
That's
know.
I try to freeze them working.
Yes.
Yeah. But that's why you need to just take a shot and jump into the water, Lion. Guys, look where we at. Oh my God, look how this is beautiful.
Trust me.
Oh my God, this is so beautiful, guys. Look at the water. But we never carry any river attire.
No,
So we just go sit down on the rock
Why?
and hold a vibe.
They would have to show me the picture now, but I'd probably show my mind, yes.
So guys, I just want to take this time to say big up to King Lion for coming to see me and Ian. You know, he is on his vacation and he took time out of his very busy schedule, him and his wife, to come and visit me and Ian, and we really appreciate it very, very much. And we just want to say, Lion, big up yourself and thanks for always supporting us. And big up all my YouTube families and supporters. Big up on yourself. Michelle and Ian love and appreciate, you know.
I'm supposed
Yes.
to. Yes.
Whether they're yard, I know we couldn't make him come a yard.
And
I want to get some real natural thing with him.
Because the one them up there, sir. And the
Yes.
you know, up there, so them put out, them take out things out tight and put it where they want to put it.
This
Come
are the original noni.
Noni.
Where you get the noni juice from, you understand me?
Yep.
Them things are good for the ladies. You understand me? If you
Aye.
try to get pregnant and it not work, just drink some noni juice. It good
And-
for fibroids and them things there.
And it good for clear throat too. Good medicine for the man them too.
Yes.
And good for his stomach.
Yes, clean up the man them thing and
Clean
make
up
the
the-
man them a fire.
Then I must.
Yes.
I must.
Shot.
What?
The thing a shot.
Yo, yeah. Probably I'm gonna make it down. Probably can't give wife another boy. Son. Yeah.
Hey, that.
Yeah.
Take his son out of the sky.
Son of a son, I get a son.
Yeah. You hear that, people?
2 girls and 1 boy.
Yes,
The
people.
You need to balance. You need to balance of the thing.
Balance, get a boy. But guess I know. I'm gonna get that now. My son, I got
Don't
this
jealous.
one me. He might this one me.
Still, you don't get no son yet.
Big man, no man.
Yeah, my son a big
Still,
man.
we get son.
Stewie.
Just Stewie when you're supposed to drink. Forget this. one.
Stewie. Yeah. Now make sure. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure
Yeah,
get.
so
I carry some come gear. Yeah.
see boy, yeah.
Stewie, sing boy.
This is the boy.
When him born, I give him Noni. Noni.
Yeah, was. If you ever get a next girl, mama say me a kidnap practice. Come visit her when you're ready.
So guys, Lion decided to wet his feet. Whoa, minor fall. And take time out line because pure rock in here.
Oh, you must mad that cow. That shit cow.
So Lion, you see your hat? No. Lion say him hot. And people me tell him to dip him foot in the water and like, no, don't step on the rock, you know, mind you up, man.
No, this shit cold.
No, man.
No. No. No.
What you?
No, like
No.
the feel of shit. Yeah.
Lion, just, yeah, man, just sit down in the water.
Michelle, have fun. Yeah, have fun. No, I get evil, you know.
So look at Lion, in the water.
Stewie, I'm a fact. Anytime we come again, we have a whole family thing. Stewie and the one we have come.
Yes.
Yeah. We promise that.
Nice place, you have a picnic, put on your quad. Have a liquor.
Smile a while.
Listen, big up Ian and Michelle because trust me, so I tell me and the correspond so much I get mixed up. But bigger them. If you don't subscribe to the channel, please do because guess what? When you don't know when the lion might come and roar and say, yo, let's have some fun.
Yes.
It's all about fun.
Come out for the virtual life and go live to my real life.
That me I try to tell you too. So if you
In
feel
the
boring and say, yo,
water.
laugh with me, just drop anything in there and say, yo, Michelle, have a life with the lion. And trust me, me find the time, I'm a good
Yeah.
time. But remember, we come for have fun. Have
Yeah.
fun. Everybody want to subscribe to Stuart and the family. Stuart, big up yourself. I'm not forget
In
Green
Nation.
Nation and guess who too?
Lash.
No Holds Bar, Cuban, Live University.
Cuban.
Don't forget Richie Rich and Sabrina. Join them. It's a place to be. When you see them people there, you are going to see Lion come in.
Yeah.
And don't forget my old English friend, the countryman, Rambo.
Rambo.
The old British man.
Rambo Green Hands. Big up yourself.
Anybody else with a big up? Nah, I got this. I can't remember the name. I tell my first time I just come up with enjoy myself with
Yeah.
Ian and Michelle. So.
And Lion finally decided to go in at the water. Lion friend.
Hey, let's just miss. Let's just, yeah, well, you missed something, but we get it before you. So When they come, you can't come after me.
Lashes missed the river.
Luscious,
And we
you
were
can come.
right there, Lashes.
But I had to think about the footpath then.
The footpath.
But tell my wife.
Guys,
tell
look
my
how the
wife
water
said-
is clean.
But tell my wife said she want to go wet up the clothes. You can't go to the store and buy a clothes, dog. That's not a problem for me.
Yeah.
But that's if she want to do that.
Yeah.
But me, don't see it for me.
Ian and Lion in the water reasoning, guys. They're talking big boys stuff. Yeah. They're talking about big boys stuff. You want to chill with the big boys? There they are. Chilling. Yeah. I will a real reason. Guys, we come out of the water. I'm having back my clothes. And we are wait for go back. We are time the food down at Morino, guys. We are time pedal the food down at Morris. Right, so
They're up on the riverside.
we chilling on the river.
You know the thing. Yeah? Want to see the eyes?
Guys, guess what? Lion put on him shoes, you know, because I only take off the shoes to go in the water. And we waiting because me anticipate the pork down at Morris, you know, guys. Me I tell you, not tell a lie. The sausage on Morris is nice. I'm going to eat some sausage again. Guys, can you believe that, guys? Can you believe that Lion took off his tag and give to me, guys? And I appreciate this very much, guys. The reading is everything. I don't know if you guys can see it. Be strong and don't be discouraged. Guys, look at this. I appreciate this so much. Lion, I really appreciate this so much, guys. This means a lot to me because I was not expecting anything from Lion, and for him to take off his, you know, his tag from off his neck and put around my neck. It's a big deal, guys. I was not expecting anything, guys. If you know me, you know that, you know, I don't expect anything from anyone. Okay, guys, so I really appreciate this, Lion. Guys, we are leave the river now. We are leave. Food time now, guys. It's food time. Food time, guys. Watch belly, my belly all get flat. Hungry now, guys. I'm hungry now. Yeah, bye river. Bye.
Just make them get soft. You don't take the seed out tight.
Lion there with him nooning.
Yo, me I go take my new with them. I'm going to eat some pork. So all hoop on YouTube and them pork, half on the life. Gone!
When you hear that? When you hear that? We are leaving the river. We are going to eat some oinal.
We eat some oinal, yeah, oinal. Now I got some
oinal.
pork. Now I got some pork. I'm probably not going to tell me say porky. Not porky, but pork. P-O-R-K. Not P-O-R-E.
The more tell us they prefer eat pork than oinal.
No. You see how you
To merciless, you know. Yeah, we have to condolences to merciless.
Condolences to the warlord.
Yep.
Yeah, so rest in peace.
The Warrington from Clarendon.
Warrior from Clarendon. Yeah, back. Just right in the back, mama.
R.I.P. to the Warrington from Clarendon. Merciless. Rest up well, me DJ. So guys, we are back at Morris. Look. Reach back at Morris, we are going to look through. The eyelash come like said I come off, you know.
I just get it.
Our number one server as always, Satif is there.
Big body to win. I'm a big body to win, so we're going to put the original price. One ball. Cheers, bro, man. Yo, we are drinking. Yeah.
Yes, to the link up, yeah?
I will name sausage already. I don't know the sausage again.
A sausage me want.
Alright, bro, I want to go to the Road Dance Festival right now.
Same thing. Yeah. Let's go to
My milkshake. Ian lost after my milkshake, guys. No? Ian lost after my milkshake, guys.
You know, say any day that happened, they're the first one. Politics that for me, though. She tell me something not worry about that, my dad. She a father.
How much you have?
So guys, we got some goodies
can't
here.
play one time.
Mangoes and sour sap for
My
lion.
verse, you know, the verse can't play one time. They must bounce it, big bounty. Not giving wife in none.
Yeah, we go for the hunting.
And we're not
Hunting. Good source and good for your back. Nervous system, bring it up back.
Lion never hear when kill me for one clash.
I want this. I miss everything I'm going to want when you reach out.
Guys, our food is here. And guys, of course I ordered the sausage again because this morning the sausage was great. Look at Lion, guys. That's wife is food over there. Look at Ian's food now, guys.
They're America.
Look at Ian's seafood, one of me things. Yeah, bro, because me I will get some of the curry goat. I forget some of the curry goat. Are you reach over here?
Yeah. Oh, you want to see me teeth? Me a teeth now. Freely too. I'm going to the goat now. Rami.
Rami.
Take care of.
The boy Rami. The boy Rami. Nobody said any prayer?
What? You said she just went over there.
Lord, we are thankful for this meal, Lord.
I'm thankful, but I'm not thankful for the people that are right beside of me.
Take up your ark and you take up the
Guys, look at this pepper sauce. Oh my God, hottest pepper sauce in Maple. In Jamaica. Guys, the pepper here near one little tube. One little tube are the wickedest, are the baddest pepper in Jamaica. Remember me telling you, see that? One little tube. Stewie, then give Lion one pepper. You better than him. Him out there on fire.
Okay, back to dog, man.
No, sir. Me can't eat my one to all the pepper hot.
pepper and local tubs. And local tubs give him a big box. What's that?
My God, see that? People? Are the baddest pepper in history, guys. This pepper here. Bad man. You don't put none in your one, it's too wicked. Guys, I put in my one and I can't eat nothing. No man, it's too hot, man. Your belly full now. Belly full of where I will read. My food in my bag. Food in bag, guys, can't get some. The milkshake full up my belly. And the pepper hot on the sausage. Guys, we start leaving more.
Every. Yo, come on, Maurice. Don't take the pepper. Do anything else but the pepper, yeah?
The pepper got lion.
The ball was.
Pepper got lion, guys.
Pepper catch me. I was 4-1, but I didn't take the one. It's the ewa. Come on, Maurice. Don't take the pepper. Just say no pepper.
No pepper, guys.
But
Believe
if you want to feel the heat, take the pepper.
Guys, you don't know me, a pepper mother. And from me, I tell you, say don't take the pepper. Don't take the pepper.
Don't take it at all.
Don't take the pepper. You can take the pepper, but don't take the one with mark. Look up. When you have little tops.
Little tops.
Don't take look.
I just hear say there big tops.
Don't take little tops, guys. We're now at Stewie's mother's house. Yeah, I went in and said hi to her and stuff like that, but you know, I'll give Lion some chance to talk to her. So we're outside in the car. Yeah, gave them some privacy. outside the car, guys, and I'm loving this. I'm loving this tag, guys.
Yes, I remember when
Please.
the popo. Big
Guys, this is the great Maypen. We're in Maypen town. Definitely playing him Roman and stuff, man. Yeah, man.
Give me it.
Okay.
Come on, man. Come on.
Take up the money bag.
This is what you know. Put on to
Money bag.
Hello.
You know the bag them there?
Yeah. People, once again, the lion is going back.
Oh, we have to say goodbye.
Have to say goodbye.
No.
Ian, yeah, I'm come meet a little brother. I can't say big brother because I'm a big taller than him. We're gonna meet a big brother, a little brother and a big sister.
Big sister.
So here, I'll be back for sure.
Definitely.
Definitely. We have a lot to talk about, a lot of things we have to do.
Whole person.
Combined with stories. People.
Guys, it was fun and
It was fun.
Trust me, it was a great day out.
Great day out.
And we really appreciate it. Stewie, big up, you know, we were
Big
here.
up the Stewie.
Nation.
Nation. Oh, yes.
Everybody.
Everybody.
Luscious.
Oh, we got Luscious. Big up Luscious.
Why
Luscious? Luscious, I've been to places you haven't been to. You need to go there. I was there first.
Alright, bless up yourself, my brother.
All right,
One love. Take
safe journey
care.
back home.
Bless up yourself, wifey. Alright, bye. Thank you all for watching, guys. The sun is out, guys. Lion gone back in his vehicle. Yes. So, bye, guys. We love you. Take care. See you soon. Bless up all of my YouTube family. Anybody want to hear them name mention? Just big up on yourself. And I don't know a straight love. Yeah, man, from me and Ian. Yep.